Our wine is ready. Wow, very nice. Hi guys, welcome back to another interesting video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe, like and share this video. Today's video is what you really love to watch, and this video is for you to win your husband's heart. Hey! So in today's video, I want to prepare plantain wine. So here I have my ripe plantain. So now I'm going to wash it. So now I want to peel my plantain. Okay, now I will slice it like this. Okay, so I'm done slicing. So guys, I will cover and allow to soak for 3 days. Thank you so much for watching. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the 3rd day of our plantain wine, and today I'm going to filter it and our wine is ready. So this is it. This is how it looks, and let me filter it. Our wine is ready. Wow, this is wine, plantain wine. This is plantain wine. Wow, that's so good. Wow. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. This is how to make plantain wine. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Please like the video. coming.